Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Our pets are a member of the family. Just like you prepare yourself for an emergency situation, make sure you assemble a bug out bag for your dog. In a survival or emergency evacuation, you want to take your pet with you and you need to take some pet supplies. Let me show you the things I put together in a pack so that if I have to evacuate or bug out, I grab my bag, I grab Alaska Sammy and his bag, and we'll have the things we need to take care of ourselves for several days. Let me show you what I included in Alaska Sammy's bug out bag. The first thing I packed is food and water. I have a dish to put the water in. I have some dry food and some wet food that is easy to peel open, and a Ziploc bag to store it all in. Next, I have some first aid supplies. Secure Flex Wrap. It's a tape that won't stick to your dog's fur. It sticks to itself. Antibiotic cream. I have some gauze squares and some hand sanitizer. I also have a Ziploc bag to store all of the first aid supplies together. I included an extra leash with a harness. A harness is more secure. A dog can pull out of a collar far more easily than out of a harness. I included a carabiner in case I needed to clip the leash to something to keep him under control. Attached to the leash, I have a container that holds poop bags, and then I also have a pack of training pads. You never know where you're going to be staying or what your conditions are, and your dog needs to have a way to relieve himself. These items all fit together in a Ziploc bag as well. I have a baby blanket, an emergency survival blanket, 2 high-quality glow sticks, and some zip ties. In an emergency, you crack and shake a glow stick and then it will glow, and a good quality one will glow up to 12 hours. Then there's a hook on it. You could hook it over something, or there's a hole. If you needed to, you could put a zip tie through this and attach it to your dog's collar or leash so that you can be seen in the dark or not lose him in the dark. I can also store those items together in a Ziploc bag so that I can find them in a hurry. Keep a copy of your dog's identification, shot records, license, his emergency contact information, and a favorite little toy to comfort him in times of emergency when he might be scared. Now I have every component to put away in a bag to make sure that my dog has everything he needs in an emergency. I have food and water, first aid, hygiene supplies, identification, some comfort and bedding items. I can put it all together in a bag I already had, zip it up, and then I can put it on the shelf with my emergency gear and his carrier and know that we're ready for anything. We can grab and go if we need to, and we know we'll be okay. Make a bug out bag for your pet. You never know when you might have an emergency survival situation. Learn more at alaskagranny.com, and please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.